Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock guide access if you have forgotten the passcode. If you want to exit guide access, you need to press the power button 3 times and then you enter your password or passcode. But in case you have forgotten it, don't worry. Watch this video to the end. Press the volume up key and the volume down key after that, then you hold the power button till the screen becomes black. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe.